so you can do it. Hey, don't we like that? I was in there again. What is it? You know, right nowadays. When Mike? I don't know. It's been a long time as I ask questions like that. And I don't know how to answer. Maybe you can answer that question for me. But for now, just like this light, there's coming out of the bulb. I'm just letting on, waiting for something to come. Okay, hello guys, I am now back for another upload. As you can see, I don't know what to call this, so I'll just put it in the title. Give me a title for this because I don't really know how to make this one. I just made it out of film, so please comment down below and tell me what to do with this one because I don't know what to do with this. Okay, bye.